In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who has added you as close friends on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram and let me show you a simple trick how you can recognize that some person has added you as close friends. On the top of Instagram app, you got stories from your followings, and all the stories that you haven't watched are rounded with a circle. So there, as you see, all the stories are rounded with kind of red or purple circles, but one story is rounded with green circle, and that actually means that this person has added my account to close friends. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.